Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this simple yet beautiful card with the New Horizons suite. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how easy this card is to make. Isn't it beautiful? But it's just so easy because, again, the paper does all the work from the New Horizons suite, which includes the On the Horizon bundle with all these fun extra dies and sentiments, birds, grass, trees, wood planks. It's got fences, all kinds of fun things. We've got this cotton ribbon in Misty Moonlight and pink. It's super soft and pliable. And we have the Pebbles enamel shapes, so fun. And then the star of the suite is the designer series paper. It comes in 6x6, so this size, and it has the most gorgeous watercolor horizons. Just beautiful. I love watercolor, just so pretty. So for this card, it's basically the paper. So we've got the beautiful scene from the paper here, and just going to adhere that on. Beautiful. And then I've got fence that I cut from white. So I'm just going to add the fence there. And then I've stamped Relax and Enjoy Your Day from the stamp set. And then I used the stitch rectangle dies to cut that out and added some pebbles. And then I stamped the little birdies. So let's stamp the birdies, because that's super fun. I stamped them in Evening Evergreen, kind of match the dark Evening Evergreen there. And let's see, I think it goes this way. So we're just going to go ahead and stamp that right about there. Beautiful. Love it. And then we'll just add these, and this is with dimensionals. And then this is with some glue. So we'll just put a little bit of glue on each fence post. Okay, and we'll add the pebbles. So easy peasy, right? Yet so beautiful. Okay, we'll do our little fence down here. And our other fence on this side. So pretty. Just love this one. And then we'll just add our sentiment over here. And then we're gonna add some pebbles. I love the pebbles. So did a couple of cinnamon cider ones over here. So that and a small one. Got a long gray one. And then a big light gray one. I'll put that up. Maybe like this. There we go. So much fun. Okay, and then we got another long one over here. And this small one. Come on. And then I think this one. Yes. Oh, love it. And that's it. And you have this beautiful, beautiful card that anybody would just love to get. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase this bundle. These are the cards that come in the card kit. So just purchase the bundle using my current host code or place a $40 order using my host code and email me and let me know that you would like the Horizons card kit and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial on this simple yet beautiful card from the New Horizons suite. I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time.